Google Cloud Associate Engineer certification question. Which service on Google Cloud Platform is the most suitable for ingesting and delivering event data to your real-time analytics application that processes a stream of data from various sources? A. Cloud storage. B. Cloud PubSub. C. Cloud BigQuery. D. Cloud Functions. Correct answer, B. Cloud PubSub. Explanation. Cloud PubSub is an accurate messaging service that receives event data from various sources and delivers it to subscribers. It is particularly suitable for real-time analytics applications that process data streams. Cloud storage, on the other hand, is not designed for real-time event data ingestion and delivery. It serves as a scalable storage solution that can store and retrieve any amount of data at any time. Cloud BigQuery is a fully managed, serverless data warehouse that allows for lightning-fast SQL queries. Although it is excellent for data analysis, it does not offer the capability of real-time event data ingestion and delivery like PubSub. Cloud Functions, despite being able to be triggered by events from Cloud PubSub, is not a service for ingesting and delivering event data. Rather, it is a serverless execution environment that facilitates building and connecting cloud services. Keywords: ingesting and delivering event data indicates the requirement to collect and send data in real time. Real-time analytics application specifies that the application deals with analyzing data in real time. Stream of data from various sources emphasizes the need to handle data from multiple sources in a continuous flow. Subscribe and follow us